Welcome to Surfin'. Today we're going to patina a piece of brass with a gunmetal to slate black finish by applying a product called Patina CB. This process requires some tools such as brushes, spray bottles with water, and a cleaning solution called Brush and Clean. We begin by cleaning our brass surface. If there's any oxidation or if you're using dirty brass, we first recommend to sand the surface. If using new brass or if your sanding is complete, go ahead and apply the Brush and Clean to the brass surface and scrub in a circular motion. Keep your eye out for any areas which may need additional cleaning. Once the part is cleaned, use paper towels to absorb the cleaner off the brass surface. Follow up with a thorough rinsing with water. For large parts, you can use a hose, spray bottles, or even a dedicated paint gun filled with water. As a last step prior to applying the patina, go ahead and dry the surface with paper towels or washcloths. Now that we're ready, start to brush the black Patina CB solution onto the brass with a swabbing motion. Use the brush to ensure all areas are blackened evenly. Just like the cleaning stage, pay attention to any edges or corners which may need more solution. The more you apply the product, the darker and more even the finish gets. Once you are satisfied with the results, proceed to swab the liquid with dry paper towels to absorb the acids. Once the residue is wiped off, proceed to rinse the surface with water. For the final step, wipe the water off with paper towels or similar rags or washcloths. Wait for the parts to be fully dry. Here we have applied the Acrylaq-1045 flat sealer as a final step. The final result is a gunmetal to slate black finish on brass. For more information, visit surfinchemical.com.